Welcome back, and now moving on to the latest from the news from the heart of Delhi. At least 8 people have been killed in a car explosion near the Red Fort. While it is not yet clear what caused the explosion, security has been stepped up across Delhi and other parts of the country, which remain on high alert. Home Minister Amit Shah has promised an in-depth probe into the incident, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the President Draupadi Murmu have expressed grief over the loss of lives. Abhimanyu is joining us now for more details on the same. Abhimanyu, tell us, what are you picking up as the latest update?
Well, for now, all the roads to the blast site, they have been cordoned off, and vehicles are also being stopped at several areas, and vehicular movement has been subjected to checking, and there have been diversions, traffic diversions since last night itself. The road we are standing on right now is otherwise a thoroughfare, but we see barricades which have been kept out here. There's also a parallel road where barricades have also been installed. So the entire area has been cordoned off, even as specialized teams had already reached the site last night, and still investigation is underway to ascertain the cause of the blast and to find out more about the details. The injured, meanwhile, are being rendered treatment in LNJP hospital, and the government, through several functionaries, had already reached out to the injured, to the families of the injured, to the families of the deceased, and investigation is still underway as far as the entire incident is concerned. But most of the areas around the blast site, all the roads leading to the blast site, continue to remain cordoned off, and more updates are likely to come in from the Delhi police and from the government as the time progresses, even as the investigation is still underway.
Abhimanyu, thank you for that update. Let's also listen in to Home Minister Amit Shah speaking after visiting the hospital last evening.
करीब करीब शाम को 7 बजे हुंडई i20 कार में एक ब्लास्ट हुआ है, और ब्लास्ट के कारण कार और कार के आसपास की 3-4 व्हीकल और खड़े हुए लोग, ऑटो में बैठे हुए लोग इंजर्ड भी हुए हैं और कुछ मृत्यु भी हुई है। अस्पताल के सूत्रों के अनुसार अब तक 8 लोगों की मृत्यु हो चुकी है। कुछ लोग इंजर्ड हैं, इनका इलाज यहाँ पर चल रहा है। हम सभी एंगल को खुला रखते हुए इसकी गहन जांच शुरू कर दी है। जैसे ही ब्लास्ट की सूचना मिली, दिल्ली पुलिस स्पेशल सेल, क्राइम ब्रांच, एनआईए की टीम, एसपीजी की टीम, एफएसएल की टीम मौके पर पहुंच गई है, और सभी प्रकार की जांच हम तेजी से कर रहे हैं।